Welcome to the grand celebration of 2 years of innovation, inspiration, and impact. Today, we come together to commemorate the 2nd anniversary of Live Good Philippines.
Why many people joining in like this company but never become successful? Many are called, but few are chosen. And you are the chosen one.
Let's stand together, above and beyond. Live Good Philippines 2nd anniversary is about to be...
You have to love yourself, not for your husband, but for yourself and for the God.
As a team, husband and wife, it really can help your team also be a model. Be the model of the team.
Kung ang dating ko sa'yo ay mali, I'm sorry. Pero kung mararamdaman mo yung puso ni Coach Fernan, kaya ako sinasabi to, gusto ko maging isa tayo. Magtulong-tulong tayo. Dahil naniniwala ako, kaya uling mag-number 1 ng Pilipinas. Let all shout, Philippines, number 1! We are one!